Introducing Omron's next generation Scara robot series, the i4L. The i4L is a compact Scara robot which offers competitive performance at the lowest cost of ownership. Simple integration with unique EtherCAT or Ethernet connectivity in the base, and maximum uptime by means of interactive maintenance alarms and an RGB dome light. Omron is setting a new bar in the light-duty Scara market, bringing strong performance at the most competitive price. The i4L offers high-end, inertia, and repeatability for a light-duty Scara robot, providing all the performance necessary for your application. Get to work faster with simple integration and synchronization. The i4L delivers compact design, a small footprint, is simple to install, and can be table-mounted or wall-mounted without the need for additional hardware or brackets. The i4L provides the option to be programmed individually via Ethernet or integrated into the Omron NJ EtherCAT network. Connecting to the Omron NJ will enable multiple robots to be easily deployed and synchronized, while reducing setup complexity and programming time. Its status light helps to diagnose problems faster and more efficiently. The i4L maximizes value in every stage of the product lifecycle, achieving a segment-leading total cost of ownership. The i4L is ideal for high-speed, repeatable applications. It has three options of working envelope with reaches of 350, 450, and 550 millimeters. The i4L delivers Omron's quality, along with the lowest cost of ownership, scalability, preventative maintenance, and integration flexibility well above its class.